I'm going to just take this, twist them together, and then we're going to use Louise. Okay, just one joint like this. I want to get it to go around each other, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then get this guy to heat up.
Oh, you used the Big Daddy.
Yeah.
Was that a 200 watt or something?
No, it's like a 140.
Oh, that's not bad.
No. So I'm going to just make sure that the nuts are tight, because you can feel it vibrating when the nuts are really tight. When they're not really tight, yeah, it gets better contact.
Oh, I see.
It's amazing how every time you got to do that, even though.
Oh.
You see the difference?
Yeah.
It's smoking. What's the guy's name? Cuban Pete.
Oh, yeah.
Smoking. So we got a lot of juice here, so just got to get that, you know, close by and run the solder on the little twists. And that's pretty good. You see? That's all you need.
Okay.
When I come back later, I'm going to get some aluminum foil to stick underneath there. Because I'm going to come back with a flamethrower.
Oh, wow.
A small flamethrower. I think if they see this on YouTube, they're going to want to arrest me. Because I get too close to the planes with this.
Oh, yeah.
So, you see that?
Mm-hmm.
That's a nice contrast, right? Get a lot of light on it. You can't pull that apart.
No.
See, that's done. But I guess inspectors are kind of finicky. So I'm going to keep that there, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm going to grab my little flamethrower, which I
over
brought.
here.
There it is. Okay, good. Good. So I'm just going to hit it real gently with the flamethrower.
Let's see. I use a lighter myself.
You can do that, you know. I just happen to have this. I don't smoke or anything, so. Okay, so that's getting real tight there. So that's going to stay put.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's a 1. And now we'll just do the black one because it's here. And we've got to get another piece of doodah. Where's the doodah? There it is. Doodah, doodah day. I'm going to put the doodah on there. The shrinky fitty. Make sure it doesn't get jammed up. Okay, well, come on. Come on. Okay, we can give it a little more space so it doesn't get heated. You don't want to preheat your shrink fit.
No.
Yeah. Give me a little space here. And I've been doing wires like this for like millennia.
Yeah, I do similar.
Just twist it up a little. Got to make sure you get at least one turn on them. Sometimes I smash them together and then rotate them. So the hairs do that. But I'm in a tight space here, so I'm just hoping to get any kind of contact.
Right.
And there's a little mechanical contact there, so I'll call it done. I'll call it good. We're waiting for Godot. Waiting for it to go. Waiting for Godot. Right?
Yeah.
Waiting for it to go. Come on, go. Go, 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 go.
What if you did a parallel twist instead of this horizontal twist in the wire?
Oh, you mean straight up? Like?
Yeah, you put them together parallel to each other, twist them together, and then solder instead of trying to mate them horizontal.
Well, because I think this gives you less space. Takes up less space.
Oh, okay.
That's what I'm thinking. What do you think?
I kind of like the parallel, but it all depends, you know. Because you can really get a strong, those wires aren't coming apart.
Yeah.
You know?
See? That's not coming apart.
Yeah, that's true.
Now I can slip my shrinky fit on and hit it with the flamethrower. Go the other side a little. Got to be real fast.
Yeah.
Well, you bought an airplane. Okay, so that doesn't seem to be moving anywhere. Okay.